Have you ever had a moment where you just knew something? Maybe it was a nudge to take a different route home, or an unshakable feeling about a decision you had to make. That, my friend, is intuition. Intuition is that still, small voice within, the one that doesn't shout but whispers. It's not loud or dramatic, yet it holds an incredible power to guide you toward what's right for you. But let's be real, how often do we second guess it? How often do we let fear drown out that inner knowing? Today, we are going to explore how to recognize your intuition, trust it, and turn it into action. Because when you align your intuition, you align with your true potential. So, what exactly is intuition? And how do you know it's not just fear in disguise? Intuition feels calm, grounded, like a gentle nudge or a subtle pull. Fear, on the other hand, is loud, urgent, and often rooted in past experiences or what ifs. Here's the key: intuition speaks from a place of inner wisdom. It feels like clarity, even if it doesn't always make sense at first. Fear shouts from a place of doubt. It feels like chaos. The more you practice listening to the quiet inner voice, the more you will be able to tell the difference. And how do you cultivate this skill? Through mindfulness, meditation, and self reflection. When you slow down, when you tune in, you create the space to hear your intuition. Your intuition just doesn't speak in words, it speaks through sensations, emotions, even dreams. Maybe it's a flutter in your stomach or a sense of pace when you think about a particular path. Maybe it's an idea that keeps resurfacing or a dream that leaves you feeling inspired. These are all messages, your intuition guiding you. When it comes to decision making, intuition is like your internal compass. It doesn't promise a perfect outcome, but it steers you toward the path that aligns with your deepest truth. And yes, uncertainty can be scary, but when you learn to trust your gut, you learn to navigate uncertainty with courage and clarity. Here's the thing: intuition without action, it's just potential. To make your intuition work for you, you've got to act on it. Start by identifying what's holding you back. Is it fear of failure? Fear of judgment? Whatever it is, acknowledge it. Then challenge it. Next, develop a plan. Write down the insights your intuition is giving you and turn them into actionable goals. What's one small step you can take today to honor your inner guidance? And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Seek out resources, support, and inspiration to keep moving forward. Your intuition is the spark, but action is what fans the flame. Every time you act on your intuition, you build trust in yourself. Recognize wins, no matter how small. Celebrate the moments you listen to that inner voice, and it led you in the right direction. And when things don't go as planned, don't let that shake your confidence. Mistakes and setbacks are opportunities to learn, to refine your connection with your intuition. The more you embrace these lessons, the stronger your inner guidance becomes. You'll find yourself stepping into challenges with more courage and walking your path with more conviction. When you trust your intuition, when you act on it, you begin to live with intention. You align your actions with your deepest desires, and that alignment creates a ripple effect. Your life becomes a testament to your unique gifts, your courage, and your ability to turn insight into reality. And as you do this, you inspire others to trust themselves too. So today, I invite you, listen to that still, small voice. Trust it, act on it, and step into the life you were always meant to live. Because the truth is, your intuition already knows the way. All you have to do is follow. You've got this.